Many people have asked whether you actually need home Wi-Fi here on Saipan or if you can just use a smartphone as a hotspot. Well, I've been doing exactly that for over 10 years. I update websites, upload books, watch movies, even do the live stream using my phone as a hotspot, and I pay about $2 a day. I'll explain how that works, what the limits really are, and whether it could work for you.
Someone asked if in order to save money, if they could use their phone as a hotspot for internet access and what the best plan would be for that. Now, I don't want this to be an ad for one of the two competing telecom companies here, but I use a company. When I first came to Saipan, I used one company and I was happy with them. I used my phone as a hotspot, and that's how I get online. I don't have Wi-Fi access throughout the apartment. I simply use my smartphone as a hotspot, and I access the internet on my laptop using the phone as a hotspot. And that serves me well. It serves me for the last decade or more. And I do the live streams using my phone as a hotspot. So for me, it has proved very adequate, and I have no complaints. However, about a year or two ago, that company that I was using decided to block use of your phone as a hotspot, which I didn't know they were able to do. But your telecom company can change the settings on their service such that you cannot use your smartphone as a hotspot. So once that happened, I switched to their competitor, and I use that company now because they allow me to use my smartphone as a hotspot. So if you email me, I'll tell you which company that is, and you can make your decision that if that's a part of your plan. Now, what I do is I get a plan that's roughly $2 a day. So it's a flex plan that allows you 15 days for $30. 15 days of unlimited internet access and unlimited text and local calling for only $30. So that works out to $2 a day. So for a month, you're paying $60, which is a little bit less than you would pay for Wi-Fi, basic Wi-Fi service. So I use that. And that allows me unlimited internet access, and again, live streaming and watching videos, that sort of thing. So the question was asked whether it's truly unlimited or whether it gets choked after a certain point. Now, I did a little research, and from what I understand, even major carriers don't offer purely or totally unlimited access via hotspot. Even the major players, AT&T, will choke it, meaning they will throttle back and reduce your access, the speed of your access, once you passed a certain threshold. So let's say 50 gigabytes, or let's say 30 gigabytes for the month. So once you pass that threshold, then your access is still there, internet access is still there, but the speed might be a bit slower. I have found that not to be an issue. As I said, I use my hotspot and I use that plan, the $2 a day unlimited plan, and I'm able to watch videos on YouTube. I'm able to do my live streams. I'm able to update my websites. I'm able to do everything that I do. I don't spend any time on Facebook, though. I don't do gaming. I don't watch a lot of videos or long movies. So that might be a difference in how we use the internet. But if you have a Windows computer, you can do a search and you can go to settings and then go to network and internet access, and you'll actually see your usage. And my usage for the last 30 days was 78 gigabytes. So for the last 30 days, doing my normal routine, updating websites, updating books, uploading PDFs of my books to Amazon, watching YouTube videos every now and then. That amounted to 78 gigabytes of use for the last 30 days. And even with that, I have not had any issues with my speeds being restricted. So if you know what your usage is, now everyone has different usage. I don't know how many videos you or movies you watch. I don't know if gaming puts a strain on your computer, but if you know what your usage is and you can base it on my usage, which was 78 gigabytes for the last 30 days, and I've had no issues. So I hope that's helpful. So with that said, thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next video.